Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 31 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 10, so ideal for new drivers, and this car's covered just over 21,000 miles and comes with really good service history. This particular colour is called the metallic Moondust silver and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, the seats are in great condition. And then onto the dashboard, you have your FM radio there in the centre with a CD player, and this car also has air conditioning as well as the quick clear forward windscreen, so ideal for the frosty mornings. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror controls and your front window switches. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical. So for a small hatchback, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own cup holder there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. And as you open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you've got the good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the 15-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.